At Daffodil International University, we are redefining the boundaries of higher education. As the leading institution in Bangladesh across the Time Higher Education Impact, QS Sustainability, and UI Green Metric rankings, we believe a university is not just a place of learning, but a living laboratory for the future. By merging environmental stewardship with technological brilliance, we have embarked on a journey toward the sustainable frontier, a green, digital, and smart evolution. Our evolution began with a return to nature. We turned our campus into a sanctuary, transforming polluted waters into a thriving lake and nurturing a vibrant ecosystem of flora and fauna. But we didn't stop at preservation. We pushed the green frontier forward by harnessing 3.4 megawatts of solar energy and pioneering zero-emission mobility, assembling our own electric fleet and providing hundreds of bicycles. A robust circular economical approach by implementing advanced waste segregation and recycling, powered by our own biogas plant. We ensure that our campus operations honor the earth, turning waste into sustainable energy. Beyond the physical landscape, we are exploring the digital frontier. By bridging the divide with over 65,000 laptops, we've ensured that knowledge is accessible to all. This digital evolution is powered by intelligence from our AI professor, providing round-the-clock academic support to our smart Proctor, ensuring campus safety. At DIU, data drives our efficiency, and automation fuels our paperless governance. This evolution is sustained by an intellectual mandate, with nearly 800 research publications in 2024 to 25 dedicated to the global goals, and over 250 specialized courses. We are equipping the next generation with the tools to lead. Our community projects take this wisdom beyond the gates, proving that the smartest solutions are those that serve society. Sustainable frontiers know no borders. Our evolution is a global one, strengthened by our active membership in leading international sustainability organizations, built on academic diplomacy and a radical commitment to inclusivity. Whether it is through our 600 international collaborations or providing full scholarships for students from Gaza, we are proving that a smarter world is a more equitable one. As the sun sets on traditional education, a new dawn emerges at Daffodil International University. We invite you to join us on this journey. Together, we are building the universities of the future, green, digital, and smart.